atong sabon kay.
Oh, hello.
Ayan, ang ganda ng lugar, oh. Dito po sa uphill.
Hello,
Ayan, may back
everybody.
dito. Hello, this is my Miguel, everybody. We are in Barili, Tubod.
I wanna
Before
go.
we're going to Leyte, we'll stay here for 2 nights. Right?
Today.
This
And
is,
you got the pool. Have you seen the
yeah,
swimming pool?
this
eh?
is very
Yes, I
nice.
got the pool.
Very nice
Also, there's lots of
cabin.
ants.
Huh?
There's
There's
a
ants.
bunk bed upstairs.
Who's gonna sleep on the bunk bed?
You stay in the bunk bed, my boy. And when you go outside,
We just killed
overlooking. But you cannot see because it's night time. Yes, my boy. There you go. And then set. And Sam's cabin is on the other side. And this is set. Be careful, set, huh? Isaiah. We're going.
No,
Yeah.
never died.
And there's swimming pool down there.
Oh, nice swimming pool. That's
And you can see a very nice view. We are on the top of the hill. Here we go. Come on, guys, we'll go to. Come on. Ha? So, ubos na siguro to. The Sunset Cabin.
Ah!
There's Miguel, oh. A very nice cabin, Miguel. But tomorrow, we're going to stay here for 2 nights. Look at Miguel. My son Miguel. Good morning mga tigasin. Ayan, kagigising lang. Ayan. Tulog pa sila. Magsaing muna tayo. Luto muna tayong almusal mga tigasin. Ganda ng view dito mga tigasin, no? Sa bungtod. Ganda ng tinawin mga tigasin. Ayan, oh. Presko. Yan, baba na tayo. Baba naman na tayo mga tigasin. Magsaing tayo. Yan. Handa muna tayo. Sayin mga katigasin. Tulog na tulog pa si Zayn. Tulog pa si Zayn. Si Sam at si Seth ay nasa kabila. Ang ganda ng tanawin dito sa bundok. Boses ng mga ibon. Doon sa kabilang cabin sila sa tulog pa. Dahil mahaba yung biyahe namin sa gabi. papayang lalaki. Mamaya, paliligo si Sam at si Seth at si Zayn dyan mamaya.